Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 23rd May 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, you have now found the boatman to take you from this side to the other side. Your feet are no longer in this old world. Your anchor has been raised. Question: what wonderful magic that no one else can perform does the Father, the magician, perform? Answer: to change souls who are as worthless as shells into those who are as valuable as diamonds. He becomes the master of the garden and changes thorns into flowers. This is wonderful magic. Only the Father, the magician, performs this wonderful magic. No one else can perform this magic. People call themselves magicians simply to earn money, but none of them can perform magic like the Father. Essence for Dharana. First is, you have now found the Baba for whom the whole world is still searching. Stay in this happiness. Only by having this remembrance can your sins be cut away. Therefore, no matter what the circumstances are, remember the Father and the inheritance. Do not waste even 1 minute of your time. Second is, raise the anchor of your intellect above this old world. Baba is now building a new home for us. Constantly stay aware that this world is in the extreme depths of hell, the land of Kans, the devil, and that we are now going to the land of paradise. Blessing for today. May you be a true server and accomplish the task of world transformation by doing service at a fast speed. Details are: in order to serve at a fast speed, you need to have a balance of both Roop and Basant collectively. With the form of Basant, you are able to carry out the task of giving the message to many souls at the same time. Similarly, as Roop, that is, with your power of remembrance and your power of elevated thoughts, you have to do service at a fast speed. Create an invention for this. Together with this, collectively sacrifice the sesame seeds and barley grain of your old sanskars, your old nature and your old activity with determination, and the task of world transformation will then be accomplished, and the sacrificial fire completed. Slogan is, you can put your plans into a practical form by having a balance of being a master and a child. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Imbibe the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. In this godly service, the greatest charity is to give the donation of purity. To be pure and enable others to become pure is to be a charitable soul, because you liberate souls from the great sin of committing suicide of the soul. Impurity is committing suicide of the soul, and purity is to give the donation of life. To remove someone's sorrow and give him happiness is the greatest act of charity. By performing such charity, you will become a charitable soul.